All right, come on. All right, here we go again. Whew, I'm bagged. Okay, 24.92 kilometers, 12:30, exhausted. Oh, I'm getting a little old to do stuff like this, but it is what it is. And then on the way out, I want to stop and there's lots of rock cuts on the other side of where we're ending this hike here on the section by Horn. I want to record those rock cuts because we're going to plan this to come back and do the next section next week. And just in case it is not the right conditions, that way we got those rock cuts recorded in our hip pocket, because if it's a little, sometimes it's too little bright or whatever, the rock cuts don't turn out very well. So interesting little thing here. There's a little bit of a cut, and then on the west side here we got some piles of logs here that were left behind. Again, lots of logging that was done on here in the years after the rail line was pulled up. Basically, some of the forest companies that had timber limits along here, you know, they didn't want the railway line to go, but when it did go, they basically used it as a road. So you can see this massive pile of logs here. I'm not sure why these were left behind. I don't know if these were things like poplar or birch or something that they couldn't use. So you can see just a little bit of rock work here. And then another straight section of grade here. Rock cut, not particularly high here, maybe 4 feet or so, 4.5 feet. How far do we gotta go? I love this new GPS that I have. So much easier to use. What does that say? Oh my God, I can't see anything. Oh, 2 kilometers. Killing me here. All right. 2 kilometers is 2 kilometers. So you can see the milepost markers on the Canadian Pacific, milepost 44 of the Kaministiquia sub. Okay, let's maybe zip you ahead here a little bit. It's just kind of a straight, flat section here. You can see a little bit of the incline of the grade. See a little bit of signaling equipment over there on the Canadian Pacific, a little junction box or something. Luna's got to be tired. Probably thirsty as heck. Kind of laughing here. I just break up the silence here on the video. You can actually see, oh, another partridge. You can actually see the tire tracks from this morning from the trailer. You see these 2 tire tracks kind of winding along. Another swampy area here. What's new? Maybe I should give the lens a quick wipe here, just in case. Hands and gloves are so sweaty, I can't get them back on. And it's a little chilly. It's a bit of a cool breeze. But yeah, I guess with the weather front that came through, it's a change in wind direction. Yesterday was a very southerly wind. And today it's, I don't know, west, north, I don't know. Didn't really check the wind direction, but it ain't warm. Moose country here. Big swamp. Again, must have been a real treat building a line through this. Trying to infill these bogs. Oh, butt sore. See a nice little concrete culvert there on the Canadian Pacific. Just a boring couple metal culverts here on the Graham, on the Grand Trunk. You can see some of the old, oh, there's a partridge in the tree there. There was one on this side, I think, too. Oh, and there's another one there. Maybe that was the one that I heard. Thought it was on this side. Well, at least we're seeing some partridge. Nice little upland area here. Lots of jack pines, and I'm shocked just to see so many partridge, right? Like, I think it was a good year for them because we had such a mild winter, and but you would think on a very well-traveled road here they would be a little bit more skittish. Okay, let's you can see here they probably dug gravel out of here. Lots of gravel deposits in here. There's a big ballast pit up near on the other side of Horn, which we'll cover in the next episode. We actually got the drone up because it's not easy to get into. It's all kind of wet and swampy, the approaches to it, so we use the drone to fly over it. Okay, let's zip you ahead here a bit. Oh, there's another partridge. Man, it's been had to have seen over 30 of them. Lots of birds. Okay, we got to be within a kilometer here or so of our destination. Let's zip you ahead a bit here. Look at the partridge right there. Again, it's hard to see them unless they move. The dog's gonna be gassed. She did a lot of walking today and a lot of chasing. I wonder what this was. Why are these all burned? Whew. Another partridge. Yep. Holy moly. You see some of the old logging markers there. That one's like, the tree has almost started to grow around it. 9. Kilometer 9 or mile 9. Milepost 45 on the Kaministiquia sub. Right there. Oh, sweet Jesus, are we there yet? This spot's a little more ballasty here. You can almost see, oh God, there's my truck. Thank you, Jesus. You can see down here, that area is probably all wet. But yeah, this is more ballast here. You can see it. Thankfully, it's been fairly pounded flat. Oh. Okay. This is perfect timing because my legs are like jello. Time is it? 12:43. So I've been going for like 4 hours. Yikes. All right. So this brings us to the end of today's very, very long extended exploration. So the grade continues this way towards Horn Station, and as I mentioned earlier, with any luck, if the weather gods cooperate with us, we will be back next week to do this section between here and the next road access, which is Michener Perry. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's exploration. We saw a lot of cool things. A little bit quieter section, obviously the station at Griff. But in any case, again, we're going to be back just as soon as we can with more explorations. So in the meantime, take care.